Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be checking out 12 cruiser motorcycles you can buy right now and ride for years without worrying about repairs. Number 7. Triumph Bonneville T120. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is a cruiser designed with classic styling and modern reliability, making it a great option for riders who want to avoid constant repair concerns. It's widely known for its strong build quality, careful attention to detail, and long-term durability, which appeals to riders across the United States who want something dependable without spending extra money on fixes year after year. Under the surface, the Bonneville T120 features a 1,200cc parallel twin engine that has been refined to deliver smooth power with minimal vibration. This engine is liquid-cooled, helping it maintain consistent performance even on long rides and in changing weather conditions. Owners frequently point out that the engine stays strong well beyond 100,000 miles with basic maintenance, placing it among the longest-lasting cruisers in its class. It's not just about performance, but about how stress-free the ownership experience remains over time. In the U.S. market, the Bonneville T120 is priced at around $13,000. While that may seem higher than smaller cruisers, the real value shows up in long-term reliability. Riders save thousands over the years by avoiding major repairs, which is why many consider it an investment, rather than just another motorcycle purchase. Overall, the Triumph Bonneville T120 delivers timeless design, dependable performance, and long-lasting value, making it a smart choice for riders who want peace of mind. Number 6. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a cruiser that combines comfort, size, and reliability, making it one of the strongest contenders in the mid-range cruiser segment. Riders throughout the United States appreciate it as a dependable motorcycle that rarely causes concern about unexpected repair costs. It has earned a reputation for holding up extremely well over the years, while offering the look and feel of a larger cruiser at a much more affordable price point. Powering the Vulcan 900 is a 900cc V-twin engine that is liquid-cooled and tuned for smooth torque delivery. This engine is built to handle long-distance riding with ease, and many owners keep them running beyond 100,000 miles, with only routine oil changes, belt inspections, and scheduled servicing. Kawasaki engineered the Vulcan 900 to be simple and stress-free, which is why riders looking for longevity without complications often choose it. With a U.S. price of around $9,000, the Vulcan 900 stands out as a solid option for riders who want reliability without overspending. When it comes to lifespan, it's common to see Vulcan 900 seconds still going strong with over 120,000 miles on the clock. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 offers dependable performance, excellent value for money, and long-lasting durability, making it a cruiser you can rely on for years of worry. Number 5. Yamaha Bolt. The Yamaha Bolt is a cruiser that stands out for its straightforward design, strong reliability, and classic appearance, making it an excellent choice for riders who want long-term durability without draining their wallet on repairs. Across the United States, it has built a solid reputation as a dependable daily rider that feels light and manageable while still being capable of longer trips. At the heart of the Bolt sits a 950cc air-cooled V-twin engine that delivers smooth torque and consistent performance. Yamaha designed this engine with minimal complexity, which means fewer things are likely to go wrong over time. Many owners report their Bolts remaining reliable past 80,000 miles, with plenty reaching the 100,000-mile mark with nothing more than regular maintenance. This balance of usable power and longevity has earned the Bolt a loyal following. In terms of price, the Yamaha Bolt comes in at about $8,700 in the U.S. market, making it an accessible option for riders who want a dependable cruiser without overspending. When you factor in its durability, the value becomes even clearer, as maintenance costs stay low and the bike avoids the expensive breakdowns that affect some other cruisers over time. This means thousands saved and a ride that keeps delivering. Overall, the Yamaha Bolt proves you don't need to spend top dollar to own a cruiser that stays strong for years, making it a reliable option for riders who value long-term ownership. Number 4. Suzuki Boulevard M109R. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R is a heavyweight cruiser built for riders in the United States who want serious power, bold presence, and long-term durability without constant repair concerns. It's known for pairing aggressive styling with solid build quality that keeps it on the road for years, making it popular among riders who want both performance and longevity. Beneath the bodywork, the M109R features a massive 1,780cc V-twin engine, one of the largest found in the cruiser segment. Despite its size, this engine is engineered for reliability, using liquid cooling and proven internal components that allow it to run smoothly mile after mile. Many owners have logged more than 100,000 miles with only routine maintenance, which speaks volumes about its toughness. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R is priced at around $16,000 in the US market. While the upfront cost may seem high, its long-term durability makes it worth the investment. Instead of spending thousands on repairs over the years, owners benefit from a machine that continues to perform reliably. This long lifespan and low repair rate also help maintain strong resale values compared to other large cruisers. Overall, the Suzuki Boulevard M109R combines massive power with proven reliability, offering riders a cruiser that not only looks powerful but truly stands the test of time. Number 3. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a cruiser designed for riders who want a simple and dependable motorcycle that doesn't require constant maintenance. In the United States, it has gained attention for offering classic cruiser styling at an approachable price while delivering long-lasting reliability that surprises many first-time buyers. Power comes from a 349 cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine designed for steady and predictable performance. Owners often push these bikes well beyond 70,000 miles, with many reporting them still running strong past 100,000 miles when serviced on schedule. Its lightweight engine and straightforward design are key reasons it avoids costly repair issues, priced at around $5,000 in the US market. The Meteor 350 offers excellent value. Buyers get a cruiser that is inexpensive to own, easy to maintain, and capable of saving thousands in repair costs compared to larger cruisers over time. When it comes to lifespan, this bike proves that smaller displacement doesn't mean shorter life. With proper care, it delivers decades of reliable service. Overall, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 offers dependable performance, low ownership costs, and peace of mind for riders who want a cruiser that just... Number 2. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a cruiser known for its reliability, easy handling, and long-lasting build quality. Riders appreciate how it blends modern styling with proven engineering, giving them a motorcycle that avoids the constant repair worries found in some other models. At its core is a 649 cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth and consistent performance. This engine has proven extremely durable, with many owners riding well beyond 100,000 miles on stock internals. With a price of around $8,000, the Vulcan S remains an affordable option in the cruiser category. Its real strength lies in long-term savings, as it avoids major repair costs while continuing to perform reliably with routine maintenance. In terms of lifespan, many riders keep the Vulcan S for over a decade without the need for major overhauls. Its engine, frame, and suspension are built to handle daily use and extended highway riding without wearing out quickly. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan S delivers proven reliability, fair pricing, and long service life, making it a cruiser you can ride for years without worry. Number 1. Suzuki Boulevard C50. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 is a cruiser that has earned its reputation for being reliable, comfortable, and easy to maintain. It's often chosen by riders who want classic cruiser styling, along with confidence that their bike won't turn into a repair nightmare. Power comes from an 805 cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine tuned for smooth torque and steady performance. With regular maintenance, many owners report their C50s running well beyond 90,000 miles, with plenty reaching the 100,000-mile mark while still performing strong. Priced at around $9,000, the Boulevard C50 offers a fair entry point for a cruiser of its size. The real savings show up over time, as low maintenance costs reduce the risk of expensive repairs. Riders don't have to worry about pouring money into fixes, thanks to the bike's strong build quality. Overall, the Suzuki Boulevard C50 delivers reliable performance, solid durability, and lasting value, making it one of the most dependable cruisers available.